students, welcome to the Asha Educam channel for third language English for high school exam, for scholarship exam and for competitive exam. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Asha Educam channel and learn with fun. Students, we are learning about the active voice and passive voice. In last video, we studied the charts of passive voice of assertive sentence. In this video, we will take some examples. Let's repeat types of voice. Active voice. In active voice, subject is active. यामध्ये कर्ता क्रियाशील असतो. Passive voice. In passive voice, subject is passive. Action is important. यामध्ये कृती महत्त्वाची असते. Let's repeat the rules again. The first one, underline the subject, verb and object in given sentence and name them. सुरुवातीला दिलेल्या वाक्यामधील सब्जेक्ट, कर्ता, क्रियापद आणि कर्म यांना अधोरेखित करा आणि त्यांना नावे द्या. Then note the tense of given sentence. This is also important. यामध्ये वाक्याचा काळ कोणता आहे ते पाहणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्यानुसार त्यामध्ये बदल होत असतो. Third is note the type of the given sentence, whether it is assertive or interrogative or imperative. Okay. Now let's take one example here. In this chart, you see in simple present tense the example is given. What is the example? The teacher gives homework. In this sentence, the teacher is subject, gives is the verb in simple present tense and homework is object. Now you can see here the structure of passive voice and the answer is homework is given by the teacher. Here homework is object, is given is the verb form in passive voice and the subject, the teacher, is connected with by. Okay, now see in simple past tense the example is here the teacher gave homework. Here the teacher is subject, gave is the verb form in past tense and homework is object. What is the answer in passive voice? Homework was given by the teacher. Homework again object, then it comes here was given, passive verb form, and the subject is connected by here. Okay. Now see here the example in simple future. The teacher will give homework. In this sentence, again the teacher is subject, will give, this is the verb form in simple future tense, homework is object. And how it is converted in passive voice? Homework will be given by the teacher. Homework is object, will be given is the verb form in passive voice and the teacher, the subject, is connected with by. Now in continuous present tense, you can see the teacher is giving homework. Teacher, subject, is giving verb form in continuous present tense and homework is object. The answer is homework is being given by the teacher. You can see here homework is object, is being given. This is the passive form in continuous present tense. क्रिया चालू आहे हे दाखवण्यासाठी यामध्ये बीइंगचा वापर केलेला आहे आणि त्यानंतर क्रियापदाचे तिसरे रूप वापरलेले आहे. द सब्जेक्ट इज कनेक्टेड विथ बाय. लेट्स टेक द एक्झाम्पल इन नेक्स्ट टेन्स. हियर कंटिन्युअस पास्ट टेन्स. द एक्झाम्पल इज हियर द टीचर वॉज गिविंग होमवर्क. इन दिस सेंटेन्स द टीचर इज सब्जेक्ट, was giving, this is the verb in past continuous tense and homework is object. How this is transferred or converted in passive voice? See the answer. Homework was being given by the teacher. Homework object is taken, then plus was being given, this is the verb form and the teacher, the subject, is connected with by. Now in present perfect tense, see here the example, the teacher has given homework. Here the teacher is subject, has given, this is the verb form in present perfect tense and homework is object. The passive voice sentence is here homework has been given by the teacher. आता पहा यामध्ये होमवर्क ऑब्जेक्ट घेतलेला आहे. हॅज बीन गिवन हे क्रियापद पॅसिव्ह वॉइस मध्ये प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट मध्ये येतं आणि द टीचर हा करता बायनी जोडलेला आहे. लेट्स सी द एक्झाम्पल इन नेक्स्ट टेन्स, past perfect tense. Now you see here, the teacher had given homework. This is the example. The teacher is subject, had given is the verb, homework is the object. And in passive voice it is converted as like this: homework had been given by the teacher. Okay. Now in future perfect tense you can see again the same example. In active voice, the teacher will have given homework. The teacher is subject here, will have given. This is the verb form in future perfect tense in active voice, and homework is object. Now how it is converted in passive voice? Homework will have been given by the teacher. Okay student, here homework is object, will have been given. This is the passive form in future perfect tense, and the teacher subject is connected with by. Let's take one example for practice here. See, in active voice, spring makes everyone happy. How it is converted in passive voice? Everyone is made happy by spring. Now second example, see, spring made everyone happy. This is the sentence in past, simple past tense, and it is converted in passive voice like this: everyone was made happy by spring. The third sentence is spring will make everyone happy in future tense. This is, and it is converted like this in passive voice: everyone will be made happy by spring. Here is the example in continuous tense. See, spring is making everyone happy. This is in present continuous tense, and in passive voice it is converted: everyone is being made happy by spring. Spring was making everyone happy, past continuous tense, and passive sentence is here: everyone was being made happy by spring. मी तुम्हाला यादी चार्टमध्ये सांगितलेले आहे की कंटिन्युअस टेन्समध्ये कंटिन्युअस आहे हे दाखवण्यासाठी पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये बीइंग वापरले जाते. नाव लेट्स सी द एक्झाम्पल्स इन परफेक्ट टेन्स. सी, इन ॲक्टिव्ह वॉइस, स्प्रिंग हॅज मेड एव्हरीवन हॅपी. हॅज मेड हे प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स मधलं उदाहरण आहे. पॅसिव्ह वॉइस, एव्हरीवन हॅज बीन मेड बाय हॅपी बाय स्प्रिंग. नाव past perfect tense, spring had made everyone happy. It is converted like this in passive voice: everyone had been made happy by spring. And at last, spring will have made everyone happy. And in passive voice, this is converted like this: everyone will have been made happy by spring. Okay students, now take down all charts and all these examples in your notebook, learn them by heart, and prepare or collect such examples on yourself. Okay, have a good luck. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to Asha EduCamp channel to get more exciting educational videos regularly.